If you are looking for something different by a builder known for quality, value, and customer service, you'll find it at Foxcroft by McKee Homes. European elevation homes are nestled among the North Carolina pines in a tranquil community close to everything you need. Foxcroft is in Whispering Pines in the famous Sandhills region of North Carolina. Whether it's great shopping, fantastic restaurants, or world-renowned golf you're looking for, you'll find it all close to home. Foxcroft is just minutes from Southern Pines and the Village of Pinehurst.
Southern Pines is the definition of American charm. The historic downtown is made for strolling with fine dining, locally owned boutiques and coffee shops. The Village of Pinehurst also has a charming historic downtown with really beautiful landscaping.
Foxcroft is also within the highly desired Farm Life School District. Perhaps the best-known gem of the region is Pinehurst Resort, one of the most celebrated golf resorts in the world.
This area is a golf lover's dream, offering over 40 courses nearby. We offer a course for every kind of player, including the Pinehurst Resort, which is also known as the cradle of American golf. It has hosted many PGA Tours and U.S. Opens.
Fort Bragg is also in the area, less than 30 minutes away, and is home to the 82nd Airborne Division and U.S. Army Special Operations Command. Downtown Fayetteville is a local gem with its historic downtown, botanical gardens, and the Airborne and Special Operations Museum. Within Foxcroft, 11 stately floor plans are beautiful inside and out. European elevations make a welcoming statement against the wooded backdrop.
Everyone loves the distinctive European elevations, the curved lines, the stone. When people pull up, they're always in awe.
From energy-efficient features to designer details, these homes perfectly blend form and function.
The Beaufort is a great example. It has very spacious living area. It has a eat-in kitchen with a breakfast bar, breakfast nook, tiered cabinets with crown molding, granite countertops, ceramic backsplash, and then upstairs you have a huge master suite with a nice walk-in closet, a garden tub, and a tiled walk-in shower.
Plus, the Beaufort has a tech area and mudroom off the garage. With options like a sunroom and guest suites, you can customize your home to perfectly suit your lifestyle. You won't find a builder with more commitment to your family and your future than McKee Homes. Welcome home to Foxcroft, your own corner of perfect.